For the last 10 years, Crash Course has been providing free educational materials for anyone who wants them, and it has turned out lots of people want them. Over 70 million individual students use Crash Course every year, and we help them pretty efficiently. For every $100 we spend, we help more than 2,000 people learn about their world and further their educations. And for the next 2 weeks, and those 2 weeks only, Crash Course is inviting you to become a part of that impact. We are minting the first ever Crash Course coins. We're making 3 of them. There's the $100 coin that will enable us to reach 2,000 students, a $500 coin that will allow us to help 10,000 students, and most exclusive of all and available only to our long-term patrons on Patreon, the 3-year patron coin. We spent a fair amount of energy figuring out the imagery of these coins, and for the reverse side, we settled on something that combined art, history, science, and humanity, the first ever drawings of human neurons by Santiago Ramon y Cajal. These drawings are still being used to help people understand how we understand, and so it seemed perfect for our first inaugural Crash Course coin. Our partners at Thought Cafe worked our ideas into a design for a coin, which was then sent to Woody Maringer, the master engraver at Shire Post Mint in Arkansas. He hand-engraved the final design on the dies that are being used to mint the coins using machines from the early to mid-20th century. The 2,000 learner coins and patron coins are minted on nickel blanks, while the 10,000 learner coins are minted on thicker brass, and each one of them is hand-stamped with a unique number, and only 500 are being made. Each 10,000 learner coin will come with a signed thank you card from Crash Course founders Hank and John Green. I am one of those people, and a display box that will be assembled by me, Hank Green. We are very proud of the impact that Crash Course has on our world, and we are so excited to be able to invite folks who are able to be a part of our work in this way. Your purchase will allow us to continue our work, better support our teams, and expand what we do this year as well as in future years. These first annual Crash Course coins will be available for 12 days and then never again. This is your chance to own a piece of our history and a symbol of your impact. Go to crashcoursecoin.com now or check the link in the description to be a part of our work. Thank you.